Wow, take a look at this. Wow, that is incredible. Look at the presentation. Fresh salad, all cleaned in vinegar and washed with garlic and carbonate. Awesome. Washed in carbonate. And what's the fish we got here? Sea bass. Wow. Mashallah. Yummy.
What a beautiful day!
Wow, take a look at this breakfast. Wow. Well, Berna, you really outdone yourself this time. With that beautiful yogurt, fruit, nuts, kiwi fruit, and what's this called?
Pekmez tahin karışımı.
It's got sesame seeds
sesame oil,
and grape syrup.
Yes, and grape syrup.
And grape syrup. And peynir, cheese tomato,
Ekşi
beer
mayalı, organik ekmek.
McDonald's, peynir, tomato, yum, and organic bread and chai.
Healthy.
Very healthy indeed. Wow, look at that. Wow, what is that? Oh, that's a pie. Pie. Pasta.
Potatoes.
Patatas pasta. Wow, yum. Ooh, dinner, yum. Wow, that looks absolutely yum. You're actually a very clean cook, and you're very gentle to the food as well.
Kaç defa yıkadım. Karbonatla yıkadım. Bu da beklettim iyice. Tek tek. Çok zor.
Carbonate.
Dışarıda güvenemiyorum. En güzeli evde. Temiz temiz. Ispanak, sebze.
Çok lezzetli. Alele sağlık.
Rica ederim.
Yeah.
But first test please. Eller.
Okay. Tamam.
Thank you.
Teşekkürler Kanıcığım.
Rica ederim.
Absolutely yum. Take a look at that. Walnut salad, tomatoes and cucumbers, cheese, yumurta eggs, yumurta zeytin, olives, cheese, yummy, pastrami, meat, and bread as well. Wow, that is absolutely yum. Thank you so much, Teşekkürler Kanıcığım.
You're welcome.